Hello everyone, I hope you're well. In today's video, I'm going to show you some bags you need to buy, and they will be available for purchase on my website, pamluxury.com. I'm a bag lover, and this way I decided to create my own company where I sell you luxury bags, designer bags, all authenticated of course, and I ship worldwide. So let's go. We can start with this beautiful Chanel red patent leather, silver hardware. This is a recent one, I have to admit. It's a recent one, red Bordeaux cherry patent leather, beautiful condition. For this one, you have a mini stain on this side, almost not visible, honestly. And same on the bottom, you have one mini stain here, but it's super, super small. Otherwise, the bag is in a good condition. Let me show you how it is inside. This is such a gorgeous one, a very good classic, and it's all available on my website as per usual. So this is a bag that you can wear either here in double chain, or you can wear this bag as a crossbody also. This is such a good style, good vibe. You will have every information of the bag on the website, description, photos, complete photos, and etc. We ship worldwide with DHL Express, and customs and taxes are included in the price. So this is a great thing. You won't pay anything upon arrival. This is a good thing. Like, look at this. I'm so in love. You have a hologram for this one, and I do have the entropy certificate for this little beauty. So the bag is 4,790 €. Let's go. Let's continue with this small item from men's collection, as you can see, with the dust bag. And this is a bifold wallet. So this is mixed, as I need to say, but this is a gorgeous one from Christian Dior. And let's check the inside. You have so many space to fit cash, cards, and anything that you want. This is a wallet that is almost as new, and the price is 230 €. This is a very cute little one, very good for a gift if you want, and you have the dust bag, so this is quite great. Let's continue with a brand that you love, Goyard. I never have some Goyard on my website. It's super, super rare because it's so hard to find. There is low stores. So it's very hard to find, and at especially like a good price. So I have two dust bags because you have the bag and the strap that goes with it. So this is a brand new one. So you have the two dust bag, you have the the etiquette, and it's brand new. It also comes with the invoice of the store. So this is actually great. The color of the canvas is beautiful. This is a very, very classic one. Let me add this one, the strap. Okay, so with the strap, way better. So this is a crossbody, I would say, wallet and chain. So freaking chic, very timeless, elegant, and very resistant. This is a brand new one, never used by my client. Let me show you the inside. So you can decide to remove the strap if you prefer. I do have the invoice of this store, and it was bought in Paris. So you have here still the protection on the zipper pocket. Inside is a yellow one from Goyard. So this is like an as new one. And the price for this little one is 1,790 €, which I remember is so hard to find lately. So this is actually a good one. Next online is a Balenciaga. I rarely have Balenciagas lately. This is the perfect little bag for spring, summer. This is a shoulder bag, orange, and I also have the strap adjusted this way. You can also wear this bag as a crossbody bag. So this is a 2-in-1 bag, very good condition. It was used a little bit, as you can see on the back, but it's very, very mini. This is an embossed croco. It's not a real like crocodile, but it's embossed croco. This is so chic. Inside also was used just a little bit, and the price is below 1,000. It's 920 €. Let's continue with Louis Vuitton with the box. I have the invoice. I have also the little dust bag. We have everything for this one. It would make like a perfect little gift. And this is the twist Louis Vuitton bracelet in leather, as you can see. So chic in gold leather. It's very, very mini adjustable, so you can adjust it to your wrist. And this is beautiful. I love it. 290 euro. This is lovely, honestly, and this is leather. This is not canvas, so it's actually a very good deal. Next, with a small accessorize, and this one is for your phone or sunglasses. It's from Celine. They still have them on the boutique, actually, on the store. This is a very good condition. It was used a little bit. You can adjust the size of the strap to wear it as a crossbody or not, as you prefer. But this is a very good one for spring, summer as well. You have a pocket here, and then when you open it, you have a little pocket there and a large here. My iPhone 13 Pro Max fits inside. It's a very good condition. I don't have anything to say about this, honestly. That's it. And the price for this one is 360 euro. Let's continue with the Balenciaga bag. And yes, I finally put my hands on a Balenciaga City. This is a small one. This is a natural leather, dark brown natural leather, as you can see. Incredible, incredible, incredible. Very rare type of leather. For Balenciaga, I have the strap. You have the long little things. Condition is actually good, very good. The corners are a little bit rubbed, but this is mini. The bag has an odor that is incredible. Inside, we have a little mirror, and let me show you the inside of the bag. This is in great, great condition. This is a bag that is very chic, very fancy. Color is easy to wear. You can also wear it here on the shoulder. The leather is very smooth and very nice to wear. Price of the bag is 615 euro. Small price. Let's continue with this small wallet from Dior. This is a saddle one. I do have an invoice from the store. It was bought directly, Avenue Montaigne in Paris. And this is the oblique version. So you have a little pouch on the back. Very good condition. It was used a little bit. And let me show you the inside. So you have one pocket here, and then also inside you have different pockets. The price for this one is 290 euro, and it comes with the invoice directly. So this is actually super cute. I have a huge box from Louis Vuitton, and this is such a bag. We're gonna see together what's inside, but this is a bag that you rarely see, especially pre-loved, because the condition of this one is quite insane. So it comes with a box. It also comes with the dust bag, and let's see. But this is a bag that I really, really, really enjoy, honestly, and personally. You have two straps, as you can maybe guess. And this is a Dauphine. This is a good size black epi leather. This is not the small version. You have the little chain that is so, so chic. Let me show you from closer. The chain is so gorgeous, guys. But the bag is almost as new, and you get the strap that is the crossbody one that you can also adjust. And you get also this strap that is the crossbody one that you can also adjust. Let me show you. So when you're here, you have two little pressure buttons. You just need to press up to open it. So you just need then to adapt and put it here, and it makes you like a smaller strap that is like not the chain, but that is in leather. So this is quite cool as well. Look. And it makes you like a more shoulder classic bag. The bag is in excellent condition. It was almost not used. Let me show you from the back of the bag. And the bottom of it. Gorgeous. To open it, you just have to up press. So you have mini signs over on the hardware, but it's quite classic. And then the inside of the bag is huge. You have so multiple pockets. It's a huge one. Complete leather bag. This is what I love about this one. It's very chic, and you can use like the both little chains to use it as well. It's a very good style. And the price is 2,590 euro with box dust bag. Excellent condition, and it comes with a certificate entropy. Another Louis Vuitton item with the box and dust bag inside. This is a mini pouch in monogram canvas. It's very cute. We can see it was previously used. It's pre-loved, but still in good condition, I have to admit. Hardware is a little bit used. The canvas has little signs of wear, but like more about the color. And inside is very good. Like inside is excellent. And this is a part that is from 2009. Price is 400 euro. Then we do have a Saint Laurent with the dust bag. And this is a collage in brown matte gold hardware and in excellent, excellent condition. I think it was never used, honestly. And I do have the entropy certificate for this baby. It was also authenticated by ourselves. I have a strap Here, let me put the strap on. Way easier to show you. So this is how it looks with the strap. It's super cool. Like the color is quite rare. We don't see it everywhere. And you have a back pocket. Condition is as new. I'm gonna show you the inside as well. You have lots of space. So it comes with a dust bag and the price is 1,790 euro. This is such a good price. Then let's continue with the long wallet zipper from Louis Vuitton in monogram canvas. Very good condition. Hardware is less goldish. It's almost silver now. But otherwise, corners are also very good. Inside is very good condition, as you can see here. The parts for the coins was used very, very poorly, like almost not. And we have a good price actually, 350 euro, knowing that it's more than 600 euro nowadays in store, and this is in very good condition. Let's go now on a bag that is so incredible. This is a rare limited edition from Fendi. So we do have a dust bag, and this is a Fendi Boston rare limited edition. This one is unworn, so it's brand new. For this one, you get a strap if you want to wear it as a crossbody or on the shoulder. But it is such a cool bag. The fabric is so limited, like it's shiny kind of, but not so much. And this goes perfectly with any type of outfit. It looks crazy, but it is not actually. Excellent condition. Inside is the Fendi logo monogram. Very, very good condition, like as new. And the price is very good. We have a price of 890 euro. So it's below 1,000, you know, for a rare limited edition bag. So great. Let's continue here with a Gucci. So as you can see, we have this bag, and this one is also new. Very excited, like, because we have more and more special items, and I'm forever grateful for this. So this is a little bag pouch that you can wear either with this attached or with the strap that is adjustable. This is brand new. You have all the stickers on it. You have a dust bag. It's a beautiful, beautiful one. Let me show you the inside of it. You have also the paper protection of it. You have all the papers inside, little card holders and pouch. This is completely brand new. Let me show you if I wear the bag. But it's either for men or women, actually, like both. I think it's like mixed because it's not like very men-women branded, I would say. And you can adjust the strap, so you can make it longer, you can make it shorter. This is a very cool one. And the price is quite low, 680 euro for this beautiful little bag. That was all for the video of the day. I hope you appreciate it. I will try to show you more of the behind of the scene. I will try to vlog a little bit more this year. Let me know also in the comment what bag or accessories did you prefer in this selection, and also what type of video you prefer, these videos, vlogs, or sit downs, or anything that you'd like. I will listen what you prefer, of course. But thank you so much for watching this video. Consider subscribing, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.